Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Esther Vaniasa from class 6 Management Business 4 in Manado State Polytechnic. In this afternoon, I give thanks to God because from the blessing of health and strength that has been given. Now, I'm going to talk about Indonesian Palm Oil Company. The story of oil palm in Indonesia begins in 1848 when the Dutch brought 4 palm oil seeds from Bourbon, Mauritius, and Hortus Botanicus, Amsterdam, the Netherlands. The 4 oil palm seeds were then planted in Kebun Raya Bogor and apparently managed to flourish. After fruiting, the seeds from the mother oil palm are spread to Sumatra. The agricultural sector has an important role in economic activity in Indonesia. This can be seen from its contribution to the gross domestic product, which is quite large in around 13.52% in 2015, or ranks second after the manufacturing industry sector. At the time of the economic crisis, the agricultural sector was a sector that was strong enough to face economic shock and turned out to be reliable in the recovery of the national economy. One of the potential subsectors is the plantation subsectors. The contribution of the plantation subsector to gross domestic product was around 3.57% in 2015, or was the first in the agriculture, animal husbandry, hunting, and agriculture service sector. This subsector is a provider of raw materials for the industrial sector, employment, and the foreign exchange earners. Palm oil is one of the commodities of plantation products which has an important role in economic activities in Indonesia. Palm oil is also one of Indonesia's important export commodity as a source of foreign exchange besides oil and gas. Indonesia is the world's largest producer and exporter of palm oil. In addition to increasingly open export opportunities, the domestic palm oil and palm kernel oil markets is still quite large. Potential markets that will absorb the marketing of palm oil and palm kernel oil are the fractionation or ranifation industry, special fats, margarine or shortening, and chemical and soap. The vision of company is to become superior company in integrated agro-industry business. And the mission of company is to become the best and largest palm oil plantation company in Indonesia. The total volume of palm oil imports over the past 6 years has been very volatile. The total volume of palm oil imports in 2010 was 48.08 thousand tons with a value of $14.01 million. In 2011 and 2012, palm oil imports decreased respectively by 14.61% and 94.92%, while in 2013 there was a very drastic increase in imports of palm oil by 5,145.78%, and in 2014 it decreased again by 99.55% from 2013. In 2015, imports of palm oil were recorded at 7.53 thousand tons with a value of $4.66 million, or an increase of 2,436.12% from 2014. Conclusion: the development of oil palm plantation has a positive impact that is emerging, including increasing community income, increasing foreign exchange income, expanding employment, increasing productivity and competitiveness, as well as meeting the consumption needs and raw materials of the domestic industry. Thank you for your attention and God bless.